you very much. I'm making up for the missing references here. Right, group of cars forming up front of the grid there, nicely into 2x2, same pattern on behind two. Safety car and race control all making decisions on whether they've actually got themselves nicely in formation so that we have the start of the race. I suspect we will go regardless. They are looking pretty good to me. And it is going to be a case of really just keeping an eye on those cars. It will be the number 118, the white red car. The white stuff on that car. In a racing scenario, you're going to be stopping for over a lap, that's fine, and also ultimately when you have to stop. It's just gone down the inside of our race leader and taking over. That's a fantastic move down the inside into ready to train to Panic away. Very confident wide line by Jason Hughes going through there. Off the bend opportunity here to cause a 20 to because you've got the 20-second penalty to the pit stop. Great battle going on there between the Jaguars, and it's like a web with Tony Smith, I think, together quite like a form of race. They've got one of the TR triumphs, TR4 there, the entrance. say that that's expired. they're both perfectly safe when they're stop time. Around in a round Smith-driven number 20 car from the spot. Just a bit to the left to get the line. Carries the street through Alex and Wayne. Very, very interesting. Left-hand side of the track to be taken to you can see there was a big smile. I do this. Connor came and fastest seconds quicker. Quicker, 24 allowed him to go. By having to have that longer pit stop, 20 seconds, road, but taking the next car off the road.
Well, okay, it's going to be on the 2.5 minutes there. Then 3 racing laps. Leader crosses the line now. Okay. The red car turning into Paddington, but he's going to know exactly.
Connotation is allowed, but this particularly stood out with comments. Certainly Darling's got the pace, that's the car that won the previous race, and straight back down to the second race leader as they cross the line. Last time out, crossing the line now with Jaguar in 30 seconds left. Connotation crosses the line, now he's on a 55.3 perfect line through circles, and now time marker on the red land. The red land and how it's now jumping into what we think is the car. Very nice and connotation, but that gap is much closer. It's
going anywhere.
They come up the hill. The leader from Fenn goes through the next 2 cars. Rotating the car, getting back off the power, carrying the speed through cornering. Now as he comes through to take the win, fantastic win, great action, but also great pace from both drivers. Martin Watts winning 8 seconds over the line, right at the end, but it's always for the race so far today. It's all around 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got so far taken place just waiting for that car to come round and take the flag. First of Norman Elan over Alan Rudd, Ross Jones in the Triumph Team R4, and in 7th place we have car 81 on Campbell bringing home together the R4.